Hey everyone, this is a video on how to make buckles for your Schleich or Briar if you want, but it's small enough for Schleich. This was requested by Polar Bear 745. So first up, this is what they look like. There's two versions. There's a small one and a bigger one. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's the small one. It's mainly for like halters. It's very small. And then the other one is this bigger one, which I use for girths. Sorry if it's very fuzzy, my camera doesn't focus. So what you're going to need is some wire. This is nice and thin, which means it's very easy to bend and stuff. So you can have thicker wire, but I just have a thin one because it's easier to use. You're going to need some pliers, preferably ones that aren't broken. Mine are broken, and they're fishing ones. And wire cutters, just like that. So first off, just cut some wire. Then find the flattest part, which like straightest flattest part. If they're all like bendy or anything, just like stretch it out. So then it's straight-ish. Then with your pliers, mine kind of have a bend at the end. And that's also where the thinnest part is. So where the thinnest part is, we're making the small one first, by the way. Have the wire in there, have like the tiniest bit ever sticking out, like you can hardly see it. And then wrap it around the top like that, and then wrap it underneath. And then once you've wrapped it underneath, you can just take it off. It should look like that. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want. So then after that, you need to cut the rest of it off. And then you have a little buckle. Oops. Keep dropping it. Looks like that. So it's basically just a jump ring with a little line in the middle. Now we'll make a bigger one. This one's a little bit more complicated. I'll just put you up on a bigger box. Okay. So first up, what you need to do is go like that and have more of the side sticking out, and then just bend it like that, kind of. So it'll look like that. Then go bend, make this small. It's easier when it's thinner because then it's just like easier to fix back into shape if it goes out of shape. You're gonna have it like that next. Then down here, go across like that. Now then, you need to have this little piece sticking out, and I'll do that in a moment. But once you've done there, turn it again. So then it looks like that. Probably I'm just doing this one big so then you can see it easier. And then come back down and voila. This one's really big because I just wanted you to make sure that you guys could see it properly. So it'll look like that but smaller. Push this down a bit. Oops. Okay. Should look like that. And then this piece here, which is still sticking out, cut that off. Don't cut it all off because you still need to use it. So then you'll still have a little piece here. And then this piece, you need to tuck it in underneath the other side. And then I just like wrap it around there, so like that. So then it'll be, if you can see it, it looks like that. Now this piece sticking out, we'll just cut that off because we don't need it. And you just like flatten that out if it's pointing out. If you hear noises in the background, it's the washing machine. And now you still have this side up here, if you can, which is like the side that isn't kind of together. Basically, I'm going to push this part down a bit, so it'll look like that. And then this piece sticking up, you need to do the same and turn it over like that. Then just, I reckon it looks like a butterfly. So it'll look like that.